11th Kite Flying Challenge for the youth. Third place is Sinel Kier, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Isabel Ferrer, 3,000 pesos. And first place is Micaela Jade Rosales, 5,000 pesos. For the Colors in Bloom Panagbenga Painting Competition, we have, for the amateur, the winner is Rizan de Guzman, 5,000 pesos. Professional division, the winner is Elizardo Itliriaga Jr., 10,000 pesos. And for the family, Lopez family, represented by Lynette Lopez, 10,000 pesos. For the school-based competitions, Upcycle Dish Garden Competition. This is, flower arrangement, no? Third place, John Rafael Cortiguera, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Keisha May Kumiwa, 3,000 pesos. First place, Rhino Dayo, 5,000 pesos. And all the non-winning entries will get 1,000 pesos each and a gift pack. For the Floral Fiesta, Floral Bouquet Design Competition. Third place, Darlene Isabel Venter, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Chris Juzriel Tindoman, 3,000 pesos. First place, Rhino Dayo, 5,000 pesos. And then all non-winning entries will get 1,000 pesos and a gift pack. For the school-based landscaping competition, Big Garden. Third place, Lukban Integrated School, 10,000 pesos. Second place, Adiwang Elementary School, 20,000 pesos. First place, Milan National High School, 30,000 pesos. School-based landscaping competition, Small Garden. Second place, San Carlos Elementary School, 15,000 pesos. First place, Pakaken Elementary School, 25,000 pesos. Sorry, may third place pala. Rojas Elementary School, 10,000 pesos. And then Miss Bunch, Pino will announce the rest.
The Carpet of Flowers category for the Professional Landscaping Competition. For the third place, we have Maria Luisa Patogan. Second place is Christine Palongias, winning 10,000 pesos. And the first place goes to Maria Luisa Comicho, 20,000 pesos. And for the Vertical Garden, we have third place, Christine Palongias, 5,000 pesos. Second place, Maria Luisa Patogan, 10,000 pesos. First place for the Vertical Garden is Fermin A. Langay, 20,000 pesos. For the Open Garden category, for the third place, we have Sharla Gay Ruben, 20,000 pesos. Second place, Maria Luisa Patogan, 30,000 pesos. And first place, Christine Palongias, 50,000 pesos. So all participating landscapers were all granted 60,000 grant for their mobilization, waived permit fees and assessment for the duration of the competition and exhibition. And all of those who garnered at least 85% in the rating will get honorable mention. Okay? Now for the Grand Street Dance Competition, for the Rhythm of the Highlands, for the meritorious recognition or third place, we have Ugayang Cultural Dancers. They'll get 30,000 pesos. For the outstanding merit or second place, Yaman Cultural Group, 60,000 pesos. And the highest overall merit or the winning entry, Kayo de Umili Ensemble for 110,000 pesos. Aside from these top prizes, all of the participating entries got a grant of 40,000 pesos. For the drum and lyre competition, we have for the third place, Tuba Central School Drum and Lyre Corps, 70,000 pesos. For El Tribo de Lucban, second place, 100,000 pesos. And for the first place, the Mabini Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps and Street Dancing Group will get 150,000 pesos. Again, on top of these prizes, all of the official participants will get 100,000 each or were already given 100,000 each to mobilize their entry. For the festival dance, I'll turn it over to Ma'am Becca Nulog to announce these winners.
For the festival dance, our third place is Tribu Balitok Apagay from Malasiki, Pangasinan, and they get 70,000 pesos. For the second place, Tribu Kanluran Jones, Pinilisa Festival from Malanit Jones, Isabela, 100,000. First place, Tribu Sigla, Tilumbo Festival from San Luis, Pugola, Union, 200,000 pesos. All other participants were given 50,000 participation grant.